my friends, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. We are in the season time, so July. So Surat is very busy with heavy rain and flood, but not an issues. But everyone is coming to normal and all are in the busy schedule. We can't miss out our works, right? So hope you understand. So today also I brought for you the latest season varieties where I want to just show you the live example. I'm talking about the designer sarees. Here one online a call and conversation is going on with the customer with our sales team. So these are the collections where the color chart, every sari you having a color charts, red, green, yellow, and these colors. So every collections you can see over here, and customer is purchasing the only designer saris. So she was very busy with continually with the barcode, scanner code, everything. So my friends, this way you can also purchase when you're not able to travel to Surat, when you're at a long distance, and especially if you are from Sri Lanka, Mauritius, Singapore, France, Canada, US, and Los Angeles. If you want to do the clothing business, I can tell you this is the right opportunity where you can call up with a video calling and you can communicate with your Tamil, Hindi, English, Telugu, Kannada, where all the languages where the online team will support you. And I just want to tell you, you can also follow Rani Talks Tamil page and Telugu page in the even YouTube page and Instagram page also. So quickly today I'm going to show you the designer sarees from this section. We have 300 rupees to 3,500 range of varieties with multiple fabrics. So I just want to tell you, if you're a boutique reseller, purchase the designer sarees, always unique collections, first point. And find out the color chart, second point. Third point, find out the friendly price. Third point. Fourth point, see the quality and see bulk quantity also if I'm getting about the quantity. So these range of collections. So quickly, when you come to the production manufacturers, I'm talking about Kesaria, which is located at opposite to Surat Railway Station, Doriwala Square building. So quickly, you can follow the 3 minutes you can reach to our shop and you can buy many more varieties for business startup of to have a new collections at your business. So this is season time. So quickly, let's see the boutique reseller showroom people. So channel today, I just want to show you 300 rupees to 3,500 range of unique, stylish and stunning varieties. Let's see the collection. So first color, the beautiful laria pattern of synthetic pattern only. You will get the glass work on the corners of the sari. You can see the yellow color piping. And here maroon is there, pink is there, yellow is there, and the mehndi green. So these colors are repeatedly. This saree is very beautiful, and the youngsters now with generation, these kind of sarees are very stunning and the fast moving. With every saree, you'll get similar, and you can also share with your family, friends, and even in the family ladies. So one of the saree, which is popcorn chiffon, is a very fast moving product. And online also you can see the prices and you can keep and set the margins over here. In this, you have these kind of the thick fabric on the light mild. You can see the leafy pattern, the designer, how the painting which done, and it the same work has done on the sarees. Next, coming to the English colors, which only settle in the classy colors. And when I talk about the boutique reseller, you can talk about these collections when I tell. So these sarees are RE work only, the onion pink only. You can see the sparkles which are done. So this is continually covered with the RE work sarees. This is also you can see. When I come to the brush printed saree, you got the brush printed beautiful blue, wine maroon, and the dark purple. You got it. These sarees are very lovely. When I talk about the art finishing painting, you can see on this sarees also. And these sarees are very familiar and very cutely. They have given the umbrella plain with the fabric with the same color. And here you can see the silver zari with the piping, which is designer cut. These are all teeth cut, I can say. We can see the multiple teeth cuts. So coming to the next pattern, which is a pattu border with the south touch, I can say, traditional come fancy. You can see the saree borders, the pattu borders on this, and you can see here the chunky work, and yellow to yellow, same yellow, which only goes with a mild beige green, the combination. This is also with the fancy tassels. Coming to the glossy, lovely tassel with the wiring work with the navy blue, which goes on the formal and the fancy. This is also one of the pattern. Every sarees with a lightweight rangoli pattern. You can see the red color contrast. Very beautiful and very pretty. Always for the home based and even for the regular carries also. These sarees are very comfortable to walk around to the markets, to the as usual. So hope you enjoy these kind of sarees, my friends. So before getting out of stock, please in order, numbers are scrolling on the screen. Everyone is hunting here. Don't do that. Just go through the Rani Talks. You can also follow the Tamil page and Telugu page and Kesaria Textile, this English page. You will find out a lot many more videos are sharing with you the long video, even the short videos. The product is very important in your business. So keep have always update in your business unique varieties and the latest collections from July to till January. This is a season and this is the best time to have a best sales. Okay, my friends. So hope you enjoyed. So quickly share with everyone. Next video will meet with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting me. Take care. Bye bye.